Hello boy, this is Boy Gaming, and guess what? I'm gonna show you something. You could email me on Google Chrome, but you have to type in my email. It's well, I show it to you. Hold on, no. It's it's maxsheehan9@gmail.com. Okay, that's it. maxsheehan9@gmail.com. You type in compose. It's right here. I don't know why my mouse is doing that. Just click OK. Type in compose. Type in my email. See? Yeah. Type in my name right too. And you don't need to have a subject. And then you write the title. So yeah. That's all. So I'm gonna be playing where you press the button. Woohoo! He's all getting on. Okay, wait, hold on. Okay, I guess I can't get the ads away, but let's get started. Where you press the button.com. You can play guitar as well as Pete Townshend. We know, but you have to listen to him talk about Lifehouse for 3 hours. I will not. I don't know why. Wait, just see the next one. Oh, you can. 20% people have pressed this button. You did not press it. Good. You will be the next Shakespeare. But you cannot use autocorrect. I'll press it because well, it could be a Shakespeare, but I don't need autocorrect. But autocorrect always ruins your typing sometimes. But yeah, we did good. I mean, I'm small. 2 out of, I don't know. I might just get 2 out of 10. It's the highest, so. You can travel to any time period you desire, past or present, but you can't ever come back. I will not. Because I wouldn't know what happened in the present. I can't come back to now, but I can come back 4 seconds from now. Oh, so 4 seconds from now. That's pretty smart though. Wow. 47% push this. I still did good because I didn't push the button. 53% did not. Already going at 100%. Got 4 plus 5 is 9. And what just happened? You can change your body to exactly what you want it to be, and it will stay like that. You only get 3 chances not to stuff it up, and when you do it, you get really bad leg cramp for 2 minutes. I think I would push it because you only get bad leg cramps for 2 minutes, but that's a little short. Well, depends. if your time paused, and that would suck. 75% people have pressed this button. That like 4 out of 10. Got 4 correct. And 6 to go. Bikini, Bukashi, Yashi. Not much. Whatever. You no longer require sleep and will always be energetic. Everyone will find you repulsive and will refuse to talk to you. You will find you and will refuse to talk to you. I would push it because company. Well, you don't want to be bored, like, no one won't talk to me. 20% people have pressed this. Oh. So, okay. 20% people have pressed this button, while 31,358 people, 80% did not press. So 7,900 did push. That's still a lot of people. So I guess I did bad. 4 correct and 1 bad. Second test. I got a question test. You have the ability to sleep whenever you want, but you are forced to wake up every 20 minutes. Oh well. I would, because first I fall asleep, then wake up in 20 minutes, but I would fall asleep again. Like, oh well, haha, you fall asleep. You have the ability to do sleep whatever you want, but 3-4 people have pressed this button. Wait, doesn't matter. I did bad. 2 out of 4. At 6. You can turn into anything you want, whether an animal, fictional character, whatever. But you will feel excruciating pain and it is weird when transformed something is lost. I would not, because that would hurt. Like if you be a dog, you'll like, hold on, I have to crack my neck. It hurts. Okay, that was good. Because if you like if you turn into a dog, your arms would hurt probably a lot, and plus you would have a tail. 61%. I pressed this button. 39%. Yeesh, that's a lot though. So I still did bad. 3 out of 4. That's 7. You can become a Hogwarts wizard. Sweet. But Voldemort kills you the second you. I will not push the button because he kills you. Well, I should have just pushed the button. Hey, I did it! 5 out of 3. 5 out of 3. Yoda transformed to the Star Wars universe at the time of the films. You're Yoda's secret apprentice, but your prescience means Luke will fail and die at some point in his journey. You and Leia must complete it for him. You will most likely fail. I'm not though. I would die. See, I was correct. I was so close. 13,000, 15,000. So I did good. So that was 6 out of 3. One more. You will become famous for many things, including music, TV shows. Every second you are on camera, you hear stands up in every place. It looks like hedge. I will push the button because you will be funny and be like, hee hee, my hair's standing up, hee hee hee. See, I won again. Yeah. Well, this is the end of this episode. So I'll see you in my next episode. Don't forget to slap that like button and subscribe. Bye.